Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.
Kiwa sikai ke Samagra Siksha Abhiyan SSA Hakajala demi gire khmat kmen sorkar hedin wa Chief Minister kajala ukonrat sangma de pintikina wa sorkar Wyrta ke ye hok kiwa sikai le kular le wa pun baikno yer kom su tulam hawa klam hedin wa kut ke yalang wa de khot do menteri rangba hai em lang menteri ke chnat pure puthi ulak men remboy wa ki sep sorkar ne liang president ke meklia SSA School Association wa arstol rembai de ong wa ke yalang de mon ko job Aristotle ong wa konrat de klam de che wa ke sorkar da Wyrta ke ye hok kiwa sikai SSA ha meklia Kamtam wa ikerchan poisa yang ke skim SSA na ke sorkar perdi da kut no ka khalifa witrik umaj usnem arjar aron ru. Hai to wan wa idewa wa pengkui ke tulap ki wasikai u Aristotle rembai de pentik wa liang konrad dukular wa wanra no ye penbaj ye rukom su tulap ne ke pay structure cha ki wasikai SSA wa ki for teachers.
Mentakasngi ni nasyudap paniat syong bat ka it's a very important meeting. Kepala Chair da i Honorable Chief Minister Sir Konrad K. Sangma, agak don lang jong i Honorable Education Minister Sir Kmen but the official naka Education Department nadu i Sir Vijay Kumar Menteri, Commissioner and Secretary, naka i Director jong ka School Education and Literacy, SPD, but kawai officer jong ka Education Department. Nakalianjungi ngi pentip siya baro kinong hikay SSA po katila Meghalaya ba ka meeting menta kasi kalong it's a very positive very positive meeting. So today nakalianjungi Honorable Chief Minister ila kren na basyay ba the government will protect the right of the SSA teachers in the entire state of Meghalaya. Kumpapitip ba ka SSA kan sakut no ka funding by 31st March 2026. So we are very happy today that the Honorable Chief Minister make it very clear ba ka sorkar kan yada but kan protect ya ka service jong baro kinohikay SSA. Hakabay day bat kan ka pay enhancement mo kabangin dawa baro sikata. The Honorable Chief Minister ila akren na basyay ba the government will come up with a pay structure for all the SSA teachers in the state of Meghalaya, including the 4 teachers. So to say, today meeting, we from the association, we are very satisfied with today meeting. And regarding the details, what we have discussed, we will disclose in the general meeting, which we will call once we receive the minutes of today meeting. Thank you.